Hi everyone, it's Miss Sydney. I'm going to do things a little differently today. I'm going to share with you 3 different songs, but they're all going to be about plants. So I'm going to put the times that those songs start down in the description, so if you want to skip around you can. Because first thing I would like to do is take a look at a diagram of a plant cycle. So come on over, let's take a look at the first step. When a plant starts, it starts as a seed that's buried under some dirt or soil. So, on our first step, number 1, let's write the word seed. Now, I'm thinking about the word seed, and it starts with the S sound. There are 2 letters that make that sound, but this one starts with the letter S. You got it. The next sound we hear is E. There are 2 letters that make that E sound, and it is E, E. And we end our word seed with the letter D, D, D. Letter D comes down and around. That's our first step of the plant cycle. All right, starting with number 2, we have a sprout. This is when the roots of the seed start to open and go down. The roots help to bring minerals and water up to the plant, and that comes from the dirt around it. So our sprout is actually part of this green area here. This is the stem, and then there are 2 leaves. That's how you know it is a sprout. All right, a sprout also starts with the same sound. So we have the S in the beginning. We have a P, P, Sp blend with our P. Sp, our pirate letter R. We have sp, ow. There are 2 letters that make the ow sound, and that is O, U. And then we have a t, t, t. That's our second stage. Our third stage of our plant cycle is where a lot of us, it's our favorite stage because we get to see the beautiful flowers. And our flowers, it's a letter F. We have an F, L, L, you got it. Now we have the same ow sound in flower as we do in sprout, but this one, instead of OU, is going to be OW. L, ow, and then it ends with the sound but there are 2 letters that make that sound. Can you guess what they are? You're right, one is R, but right before the R, there's a secret letter E that you can't hear. Our. We have the roots down below. In this stage, the roots get bigger and they spread out a lot more, so that way they can grab all the good stuff from the dirt and the soil. We have our stem that acts like a straw to soak up all of those things and take them out to the leaves and to the petals and to the center of the flower. As our flowers get bigger, you can see more leaves growing and you can see more flowers growing. I'm going to write the word petal, and I'm going to write the word center, because the center of our flower, my marker's not doing so well here. The center of our flower is where a lot of insects like bees and butterflies go to get pollen from the flower. I grabbed a flower from our garden. It's not doing so well right now, but I wanted to show you what the roots really look like. The roots kind of look like hairs, and they're also very fragile, which means if I touch them, they could break. This is what's usually in the dirt that we don't see. We have the stem going up through here. That's our straw, remember? And then we have our flowers at the top, where the center holds the pollen for our insects. The leaves are really important because they soak up the sun. And that also helps our flowers and our plants to stay healthy and strong. From a flower, they can turn into a fruit or a vegetable, or they can stay just as a flower. Just depends on what you're growing. All right, let's go ahead and move on to our 3 songs to help us remember the parts of a plant. Hi, everyone. All right, our first song, we're going to start down on the ground. It's going to be about the 3 parts of the plant cycle. So we first are going to be starting out as a seed all the way down to the ground. And then we're going to move to a sprout, with having our 2 leaves to the side and we're low to the ground. That one's tricky. And then we're going to go all the way up to the top as a flower. Okay? So starting down at the ground. I'm a seed, do 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 do. I'm a seed, do 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 do. I'm a seed, do 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 do. I'm a seed. I'm a sprout, do 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 do. I'm a sprout, do 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 do. I'm a sprout, do 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 do. I'm a sprout. I'm a flower, do 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 do. I'm a flower, do 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 do. I'm a flower, do 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 do. I'm a flower. And then you can pick yourself as a flower, you can pick yourself as a fruit, or you can pick yourself as a vegetable. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Alright, this next one is very similar to head, shoulders, knees, and toes, but instead of our head, shoulders, our knees, and our toes, we're going to be a flower. We're going to have our leaves, we're going to have our stem, and our roots. Okay, remember the roots are usually underground, we don't see them, but this is the fun part of the dance where we can wiggle our toes, pretend they're in some dirt. Okay, ready? We're going to start up at the top. Flower, leaves, stem, and roots, stem, and roots. Flowers, leaves, stem, and roots, stem, and roots. Dirt and water and sun is all I need. Flower, leaves, stem, and roots, stem, and roots. Well, if you go to my class, they love to go fast. So let's speed it up a little bit. Ready? Flower, leaves, stem, and roots, stem, and roots. Flowers, leaves, stem, and roots, stem, and roots. Dirt and water and sun is all I need. Flower, leaves, stem, and roots, stem, and roots. This is the time where they would be saying, Miss Sydney, go faster, go faster. So now, I guess, we have to do it really fast. Are you ready? Flowers, leaves, stem, and roots, stem, and roots. Flowers, leaves, stem, and roots, stem, and roots. Dirt and water and sun is all I need. Flower, leaves, stem, and roots, stem, and roots. Because I'm missing you guys so much, I'm going to attempt to do something I've never done before. I'm going to go hyper fast. Okay? Don't blink or you might miss it. Oh gosh, I'm nervous. Ready? Whew. Wow, I've never gone that fast before. I hope you had a good time watching me do that. I want to see how fast you're doing it at home too, okay? Shoot me a video and let me know how you did. Alright, on to our other song about plants. We are going to be doing the song Bingo, but instead of singing about a dog named Bingo, we're going to sing about a farmer planting a seed. Okay, so follow along. We have our letters here to help us. P, L, A, N, N, T. Alright. There was a farmer, had a seed, he put it in some dirt. P, L, A, N, T. P, L, A, N, T. P, L, A, N, T. A plant is what he grew. Now we are going to take off our first letter. Our first letter, P. When you see a sticky note that does not have anything on it, we're going to clap. Okay? So instead of me pointing to them, we're going to clap for those. And then when we get to our letters, we're going to say our letters. L-A-N-T. Okay? Let's go ahead and give that a try. There was a farmer, had a seed, he put it in some dirt. L-A-N-T, L-A-N-T, L-A-N-T. A plant is what he grew. So now we're going to take off our letter L. And if we take the letter L off of our word plant, we took our P, we took our L. Now we just have A-N-T. Ant, the insect. Ready? There was a farmer, had a seed, he put it in some dirt. A-N-T, 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 a plant is what he grew. What letter's next? You got it. It's our letter A. Now, we just have our letter N and our letter T. There was a farmer, had a seed, he put it in some dirt. N-T, 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 a plant is what he grew. Now taking off our letter N. N says N. No more. Ready? We're going to clap 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and we're only going to have one letter T. There was a farmer, had a seed, he put it in some dirt. T, 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 a plant is what he grew. Alright, taking off our last letter, T, and we're clapping 5 times. Ready? There was a farmer, had a seed, he put it in some dirt. A plant is what he grew. Putting our letters back on, we have our letter T, goes across and straight down. We have our N, that goes straight down, slides over, and goes back up. We have our A, that starts at the very top, drops down. We have a go back up to the top, drop it down again, and cross in the middle. We have our letter L. L for my friend Lincoln and Lucas. Drop them down, bring them over. And we also have our P. Plant. Alright guys, it's been a lot of fun talking about plants with you. Looking forward to you guys sending me pictures of plants that you find outside. And I'm also looking forward to seeing videos of you guys doing my songs. Alright, I'll talk to you guys soon. Love you all. Goodbye.